Set the pot on the stove top and add some water into the pot. The quantity of water you add depends on the size of the semo that you want to make. I am making 2 servings of semo, so the water is relatively small. Then you add the semolina flour into the pot until it forms a not so thick paste. This is a right consistency, and then you stir continuously with a spatula. After some time, you will notice that the semo is beginning to form lumps. But don't worry, the end result is a smooth and lump-free semo. Like, this method is fail-proof. Remember, okay? So just keep going. I also want to add that this method works for any quantity of semo that you want to make. So you keep stirring until the semo finally becomes set. Please note that the time that you start stirring the semo up until when the semo is fully set is enough time to cook the semo. So you don't need to worry about the semo not being properly cooked, okay? So once the semo is set, I cover the pot to remove the residual rawness from the semo. I'm going to be cooking this for about 1 minute. Our lump-free semo is ready. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like this video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.